Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia C32 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then let's enter the Play Store. If you do not have your account currently added to the device, so if you're not logged in, you will have to do it right now. So just add your Google account or create a new one, and then tap on the circle, which is basically your account. Now let's tap on My Apps and Games and tap on Manage. And right here we will have the list of all currently installed apps, as you can see in my case 34, and just by tapping on this option, updates available, we can check which one we can update. So as you can see in my case 33. And of course if you want you can update all of them, it's up to you, but if not you can simply pick the app you'd like to update. So let me pick Google Chrome. All you have to do is to simply tap on the square to mark it, and let me pick Google Photos and maybe Netflix. After marking all of those apps, simply tap on this update icon, not the trash bin icon, which is in the right upper corner, but this one next to it. Tap on it, and as you can see, your device will right now download the updates, and after a while it will successfully install it and automatically update the app. So basically you do not really need to do anything more, just wait. Of course you can turn off the Google Play Store and do something else, and your device will do it in the background. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.